Waiting all day for the storm ride to be going, and it's finally running. So we're heading to the storm with the hopes of getting on there. It's one of my favourite rides. Did manage to go on the storm, I think, without having to get off because it was quiet. And if we didn't ride it 15-20 times in a row, I'll go heat. The staff were excellent about it too. Just kept pushing us through. It was great. It was a good day, and we were soaked. This boat way on that side.
Casey.
Okay.
You know the powerhouse on the left, right?
My favourite.
Well, I should have got it right. She was one.
Hey.
Thumbs up. Here we go. Oh well. Yep. Nah. Might have got a bit wet on this one. Sorry, mate. Well, we're both going to get wet, you know. Only a little wet. It wasn't worth it.
Oh, never mind that.
Might have got a bit wet on that ride. I wouldn't say I got very wet. Extremely wet. But that is it's all time my favourite ride, that one. I do like it. Makes me smile. It's a good fun ride. Yeah, right. Just a tad wet. Go on again, Michelle? No? Oh, have been. Oh well. I think it was worth it. Waited all day for that one.